with a B.
Your name ain't Aaliyah.
Oh, she spelled it wrong. So how you spell my name is Edyn. I am so sorry.
Are you sure?
Yes.
I thought she was saying that's what her name is.
No, she said.
Stop tapping that and put the music back on.
Because I'm trying to edit this. I'm trying to put hashtags.
Oh, okay. Well, do something. Share it on your post.
Why?
Yeah, I'm polishing my knee.
Excuse me?
Is that your name, Morgan?
What?
Elena. I don't know. I can't pronounce.
It's spelled Edyn.
I don't know if she's trying to say your name or she's trying to say her name.
She's trying to
say she said yes, that's her name.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh,
are you saying it right?
Oh.
Alina.
Yeah, I hope so.
Eliana.
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 I said that.
You said Eliana?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Who's right? Hey, Sierra. Eliana. It's pronounced Eliana. Okay. It took me like 30 tries. And then finally I was like, oh, I got it. Yeah, Eliana.
I cannot wait to sleep on that road.
Yeah, I'm sure.
I'm exhausted. Or maybe not. Because I'm going to be way too excited to go to sleep, chat. Come on.
Yeah, she's rude, y'all. She don't have no manners.
What?
Eliana. I love that name. That is such a beautiful name. Eliana is a beautiful name. Well, finally you got the music on there. Hold me close till I get out. You can find the sun is barely outside. Yeah, Harry, you got to go. Go to sleep if you need to. Go use the bathroom.
Mom, I'm like,
Love is all we'll ever try. You just charge your phone. No, I don't want to waste what's left. You got the other charger over here. We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, through the shadows, through the sun rays. And we'll
I can't do it because the thing it takes some time. Alright guys, I will be right back. Count to 30. Count down.
Alright, y'all, count down 30 seconds. Melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. 4, echoing around the walls, fighting to create a song. I don't want to miss a beat. We'll go well through the wastelands, through the highways, through my shadow, through the sun rays, and we'll go through the wastelands. Like a hard case. Left hand.
I know it is. I feel the pain. I feel the pain.
What's Audrey doing? She ready? She's putting it on herself.
We're gonna head to the garage. Just kidding.